Day 5, living out of my car. So I woke up not too long ago and it's raining here. I'm in Auburn, California. It's about 20 minutes from the venue where the wedding's at today. I parked here just on some street parking last night because I wanted to kind of be closer to Planet Fitness so I could take a shower, and it's about halfway between the two. I'm going to pack up the tent. Even though it's raining, I have to pack up the tent because I can't drive anywhere unless I do. And it's probably going to get pretty damp in here, but it is what it is. And I think I'm going to go try and find some breakfast as well. All right, so I just got the tent packed up. It's definitely going to be wet in there. I think I need to think of a better solution in the future when I'm camping out and it might be raining. Maybe like a tarp to lay over the bed. So because I have to tuck in the flaps of the rooftop tent inside in order to close it. So I think maybe like a tarp would be good to at least keep the water off the bed and the bedding. But I think first stop is to get some gas. I'm running a little bit low. And then second stop will be breakfast. So I just got breakfast from this place called Bagel Junction. I got a garlic and onion bagel with egg, cheese, and bacon. And I just drove over to Planet Fitness here. Probably just gonna eat this, hang out before it's time to take a shower. It had really good reviews, like 4.8. It was a cute little spot run by a couple of Vietnamese ladies. It's a spot. All right, so I just got done with my shower and I just need to take Mia over to the dog sitter today. I booked a dog sitter through Rover. That's actually just about 5 minutes from the venue. It was the only option in the entire area, so I'm glad I got it. I am running a little bit short on time. It's about a 50-minute drive out to the venue. As I drove, I watched the weather turn from rain to hail to light snow to full-on snowing. We knew it was going to be raining today, but didn't really account for the elevation. Foresthill is over 3,000 feet above sea level. I'm just at the venue now and I'm about to go in for the wedding. I know that they prepared with some umbrellas for rain, but I'm not sure about snow, so it should be interesting. We were shivering the whole time, but it was worth it to watch my friends tie the knot. Enduring the discomfort of the cold only made heating back up for the celebration feel that much better. Until tomorrow, stay hyper, stay driven.